As we age, we notice changes in how our bodies respond to daily life. We experience persistent physical fatigue, diminished mental clarity, and longer recovery times after exertion. We often attribute these symptoms to a stressful work week or accept them as an unavoidable consequence of getting older. We first address and repair the underlying cellular power grid. To understand how that grid works, we have to look past the macroscopic human body and zoom in to the microscopic level of our individual cells. Inside almost every human cell, structures called mitochondria operate as microscopic power plants. This environment is incredibly active. The organelles inside the cell are constantly drifting, pulsing, and interacting, providing the biological activity required to sustain life. These mitochondrial power plants often have access to plenty of raw fuel from a daily diet, yet their energy output slows down with age. A specific biological bottleneck prevents that abundant raw fuel from being processed into usable energy. Mitochondria convert raw consumed food into a specific biological energy called ATP. ATP functions as the universal energy currency of the body, powering everything from cognitive processing in the brain to physical muscle recovery. This diagram shows the conversion cycle. A food input node enters the mitochondria hub, emitting an ATP output node. But this cycle is sensitive, relying on chemical electron transporters. When missing, the hub stalls out and the output stops. If ATP production stalls at this microscopic level, the entire physiological system of the human body decelerates. A vital coenzyme known as NAD+ is the missing component required for that ATP chemical reaction to successfully fire. NAD+ acts as the catalyst and electron transporter inside the mitochondrial engine. Without it, energy production is impossible. This graph tracks natural NAD+ levels across human aging, showing a steep downward trajectory. Natural aging, poor diet, and stress cause reserves to plummet. As NAD+ drops, cellular energy and DNA repair functions crash in exact parallel. It is biologically impossible to restore healthy ATP energy levels without first finding a way to replenish systemic NAD+ concentrations. Pure NAD+ molecules are structurally too large to be directly absorbed by human cells from the outside. To work around this, we can provide the cell with a specific molecular building block, or precursor, called niagen. Niagen acts as an efficient raw material that bypasses metabolic bottlenecks, allowing the cell to rapidly synthesize its own internal NAD+. Treating the root cause of physical decline requires delivering these exact molecular precursors directly to the mitochondria. Successfully getting these precursors into the human bloodstream presents a significant biological challenge. Standard oral supplements must pass through the stomach, where acids begin breaking them down, and the liver, which filters the compounds further. This funnel represents the digestive tract. While 100 nutrient particles enter the system, digestive interference eliminates 60 to 80% of the active ingredients before they can ever be used. Relying on traditional oral delivery is biologically inefficient for achieving complete cellular restoration. Intravenous (IV) drip therapy is a medical protocol designed specifically to bypass this digestive filter. This bar chart compares absorption rates across different delivery methods. Oral capsules yield a maximum of 40% absorption, while IV delivery ensures up to 100% reaches the bloodstream. Isolating the IV drip therapy data reveals immediate onset and maximum bioavailability. Nutrients introduced directly into the bloodstream become available for cellular uptake the moment they enter the body. IV therapy provides a biological advantage by ensuring the highest possible concentration of precursors reaches the mitochondria intact. Achieving optimal vitality requires a multifaceted approach that pairs advanced intravenous treatments with supportive lifestyle habits. Consistent, high-quality sleep and daily hydration ensure that the circulatory system can effectively transport these new nutrients to your tissues. Cellular health requires an ongoing commitment. Regular protocols are necessary to sustain elevated NAD+ concentrations and prevent future decline. By optimizing our molecular supply chains and overcoming biological bottlenecks, we can successfully fuel our cellular engines and maintain long-term physical vitality.